Hello everyone, welcome back. As the weather starts to get a little bit drier, I thought I'd take a trip down to Daytona Milton Keynes to get some general outdoor practice ready for the start of the season, as I haven't been on an outdoor track in a fair few months. I opted to drive the Sodis as I knew I'd be driving something somewhat similar at my first official race this year, as well as the fact they've had a few upgrades to supposedly make them 3 seconds faster a lap than before. Later in the year though, I will be coming back here more often to join Daytona's Thursday Night League halfway through their current season before I decide to take on a full one. And someone's already spun on the opening lap. I mean, it was 4 degrees to be fair, but as this wasn't a race, I'll just leave you guys with some highlights. Well, that was pretty much the end of the session. Nothing else really happened, just one more lap and then we had to go back to the pits. But nevertheless, I hope you guys did enjoy the video, something a bit more chill than before. But if you did enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe and let me know what kind of tracks you want to see next. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again next time.